Hi, can you please introduce yourself to the camera?
Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Gupta, BTech CSC first year.
So, Kushi, can you describe a memorable moment where you bonded with your hostel mates?
I think making Maggie is one of the most memorable moments in which I bonded with my roommate the most.
Okay, tell me, how has hostel life contributed to your social circle at UPS?
I think the first interaction I had with any person going to going in UPS was via hostel only. My first friends were hostel mates, so I think the circle started from there. Eventually, it expanded on to classmates, batchmates.
That's nice. Okay, tell me, how do you manage study and maintain a good sleep schedule in a sometimes noisy hostel environment?
Sleep masks and earplugs. And of course, you have to communicate with your roommates that you need some space and some quiet to actually sleep and study. Your roommates have to be adjusting and cooperative to that.
That's true, that's true. So, how do you think living in a hostel environment impacts social skills and relationships compared to other living arrangements?
I think living in a hostel, you have to learn how to make boundaries and how to respect other people's boundaries, which you do not learn, I think, at home or in school. Because in a hostel, you're living in closed quarters. You have to eventually adjust and compromise. You have to be flexible about that.
Another question. Have you ever faced challenges with privacy or personal space in hostel setting? And if so, how did you handle it?
Yes, that was a very common issue, and like I said in the previous answer, you have to maintain the boundary. You have to actually communicate to your roommates. At this point, I need some me time. I get that you want to cool off with me and socialize, but for now, I need some me time because otherwise, it will be a very toxic and chaotic situation.
Okay, it's the final question. Have you ever experienced homesickness or feeling of isolation while living in a hostel? And if so, how did you cope with it?
I think the number one coping mechanism was talking to my roommate because 90% of the hostel students are going through the same thing. And I think the other and the most common answer would be talking to your parents and if you have siblings about that because even they are missing you.
Thank you so much. That was it.
You're welcome.